The Adventure of Munna, Munni, Chunna and Chunni. Once upon a time, in a lush green meadow, surrounded by tall trees and a sparkling river, lived two baby ducks named Munna and Munni. Munna was a curious and adventurous little duck, always looking for new places to explore. His sister Munni was kind-hearted and always ready to help her friends. They had two best friends, a baby chicken named Chunna and his sister Chunni. One sunny morning, Munna and Chunna were playing near the riverbank, while Munni and Chunni were collecting wildflowers nearby. Suddenly, Munna noticed a small, hidden path leading into the forest. His eyes sparkled with excitement. "Chunna, look, a secret path! Let's see where it goes!" Munna quacked. Chunna hesitated for a moment, but then agreed, his curiosity getting the better of him. "Okay, Munna, but let's not go too far. We should tell Munni and Chunni first." But Munna was already waddling down the path, eager to discover the unknown.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Chunna quickly followed, and soon they disappeared into the thick forest. Meanwhile, Munni and Chunni finished gathering flowers and noticed that Munna and Chunna were nowhere to be seen. Where did they go? Munni wondered, her eyes scanning the area. "They were right here a moment ago," Chunni said, a bit worried. "Let's look for them." Munni and Chunni followed the footprints of their friends, leading them to the hidden path. As they ventured deeper into the forest, the trees grew taller and the light dimmer, casting eerie shadows all around. Munni and Chunni felt a little scared, but knew they had to find their brothers. Inside the forest, Munna and Chunna came across an old, mysterious tree with a hollow trunk. Inside the hollow, they found a sparkling gem glowing with a soft light. Mesmerized, they reached out to touch it, but just as they did, the ground beneath them began to shake. Suddenly, a loud, booming voice echoed through the forest. "Who dares to take my treasure?" it growled. Munna and Chunna jumped back in fear. "Well, we're sorry. We didn't mean to," Chunna stammered. A large owl, with eyes as big as saucers and feathers as dark as the night, swooped down from the tree. "This gem is my treasure, and it grants a special wish to those who find it. But you must be careful with what you wish for," the owl warned. Munna and Chunna exchanged glances. They knew they had to be wise with their wish. Just then, Munni and Chunni arrived, relieved to find their brothers safe. "What's going on?" Munni asked. Munna explained the situation, and the four friends huddled together, thinking of what to wish for. Finally, Munni spoke up. "We should wish for something that brings happiness to everyone." The others agreed, and Munna stepped forward. "We wish for our meadow to always be a place of happiness, where everyone can come together and be friends." The owl's eyes twinkled, and it nodded. "A wise wish indeed. Your meadow will always be filled with joy and laughter." With a flap of its wings, the owl disappeared, and the gem dissolved into a shower of sparkling light that covered the meadow. From that day on, the meadow became even more beautiful, with flowers that never faded and a river that sang a happy tune. Munna, Munni, Chunna and Chunni continued to play and explore, their bond stronger than ever. And so, their adventure ended with a happy heart, knowing they had made the right choice. The meadow was now a place of eternal happiness, where the friends spent their days in peace, knowing they had created something truly magical.